Grepr reduces log volume by 90% using machine learning to automatically find similar patterns in log messages. For frequently occurring message patterns, a summary is sent through, while unique messages get passed straight through. No data is lost. All data sent to Grepr is retained in low-cost storage. When an incident occurs, engineers may require the raw, unabridged logs for a period of time before and after the incident. This can be achieved manually via the Grepr web dashboard and can also be accomplished via the pipeline configuration using exceptions. In the context of a Grepr pipeline, an exception is a rule that tells the pipeline not to process certain messages. These rules can be static or dynamic. This example will show how to use a dynamic exception with a query as a trigger. Exceptions are configured in the details of the pipeline on the Grepr web dashboard. Click the Add button, then select Backfill and pause aggregation for logs matching query. Select the syntax to use, then enter the query. Select scoping keys. More on these in a moment. Finally, choose the time period before and after the query matches that the unaggregated logs will be made available. Scoping keys are used to build the query for the data backfill and to select the data that is temporarily not aggregated. For example, using this trigger query will cause the exception to fire when an instance of the payment service logs an error message. Selecting scoping keys of service and host results in this query being used to backfill previous aggregated data and temporarily stop aggregation of matching data. When the instance of service that logged the error was running on host tuxtop. The quickest way to validate the trigger or backfill query is to use the Data Explorer on the Grepr web dashboard. Using either static or dynamic Grepr pipeline exceptions ensures that engineers have access to all the data they need when resolving incidents. This reduces MTTR and maintains service levels. Contact Grepr for a demo or sign up for a free trial. Go to our website at grepr.ai or scan the QR code.